Good day. We are now on the lesson The Measures of Central Tendency. The learning outcomes for this lesson are explain the meaning and function of the measures of central tendency and distinguish the measures of central tendency. The question here is, what is a measure of central tendency? A measure of central tendency is a single value that attempts to describe a set of data by identifying the central position within that set of data or scores. Let us say you have a foreigner friend, and then he asks, what is the normal height of the people in your country? Then you might think of an average height. For instance, it's 5 feet 2 inches. That 5 feet 2 inches represents a certain population or a description of the whole, although your actual height deviates from that. That is an example of a central tendency. The measures of central tendency are as follows: the mean, the median, and the mode. The mean is also known as the average or arithmetic mean. There's a different type of mean, which is the weighted mean, and we will tackle that one in a separate topic. The formula, by the way, of the mean is mu, which is a Greek letter, is equal to the summation of x over n. This summation of x is the total of the scores. You're going to add all the scores in the given data set and then divide it by n. The n is the number of scores or the number of items. Next is the median. It is the middle score for a set of scores arranged from lowest to highest. Or it can be the other way around, as long as it is arranged before you will get the median, either in ascending or descending order. And last, the mode. The mode is the most frequent score in the data set. And we have types of mode. The first type is called unimodal, wherein there is only one mode or one frequent score that repeatedly appear in the data set. The second type is bimodal, wherein there are two modes. Next is the trimodal for three modes, and multimodal for four or more modes. Now let's proceed to the computations. Suppose you are given this situation. The grades of Anna in 5 subjects are 88, 79, 90, 88, and 95. The question is, find the mean, median, and mode. So what we're going to do is use the formula that we have, that we know about the mean. Okay, the mean is mu. Wait, I have to change it in brush. Okay, so let's solve first for the mean. So mu is equal to the summation of x over n. Okay, so let's add, starting with 88 plus 79 plus 90 plus 88 plus 95. Okay, all over. How many scores are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5. Our n is equal to 5. Okay, using your calculator, we have 88 plus 79 plus 90 plus 88 plus 95. So the total is 440. And then let's divide it by 5. 440 divided by 5 is equal to 88. So this is now our mean or the average. So this is the mean of the 5 grades of Anna. or the grades of Anna in 5 subjects. Next, let's compute for the median. Okay, again, in median, we have to arrange first our given set of data. So this one, the easier is, of course, to arrange from lowest to highest. Okay, so let's have the arrangement starting with 79. Oops, let's use the brush. Okay, so 79. What happened to my brush? Okay, so brush, this one, and then, okay, so 79. And then next to 79 is 88. Then another 88. Then 90. And lastly, 95. Okay. In arranging from lowest to highest, you can actually do the manual selection of the median because the median is the middle value. So you can count here 1, 2, and on the other side 1, 2. So our middle value is 88. Okay, so this is the median. Okay, so we can write here our median is equal to 88. Okay, so there's a slight delay with my pen tablet. Um, for a given set wherein there are many scores, you can actually find the middle term by doing the uh, formula or using this formula n plus 1 over 2, in which n is again our number of items. So for this case, we have 5 items. So 5 plus 1 over 2. Oh, by the way, this is the number of term, the nth term. Okay, so 5 plus 1 is 6 divided by 2. So our median is placed at the third item. So 1, 2, 3. So again, this is our median. But suppose there is another score here. Let's say there's another 95. For instance, okay, we have here another, rather it's 95, not 92. Okay, so 95, another 95 here. Okay, for this case, our median falls on this one, and this part in between of 88 and 89. So for the second case, our median is equal to, okay, where's the equal? Equal, there's a slight delay with my, okay, 88 plus 90 divided by 2. In other words, we will just get the average of the two, which is in between of our median. So 88 plus 90 divided by 2, that is 89. Okay, so that is our median for the second case. Just in case, we will have here 95 as additional score. Okay, and then lastly for the mode, for our mode, let's make it smaller. Okay, here, our mode is the most frequent data from the given set. So as you can see, we have here 88 as the most frequent. So our mode is 88. Okay, so this is actually, now we'll use blue this time because it's the first case. Okay, let's use the blue color. Okay. So our mode is 88. Okay, this is actually unimodal. Unimodal. Yeah. But for the case that we have 95 here as additional score, so it would be bimodal this time because we have 288 and 295. So for that case, okay, we have MO1 is equal to 88 and our MO2 is equal to 95. Okay, so this is bimodal. Okay, yeah. Okay. So now we have the values of our mean, median, and mode. For this problem, our mean is equal to 88. Our median is also 88. And our mode is 88. So 88 actually represents the central tendency of the subjects or the grades rather of Anna in her 5 subjects. Okay, so that's it. Do you have question? So any questions, just comment below in our comment section. Thank you so much.